between 2 points in a plane, you need to know the distance formula. Distance formula is d equals the square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Okay, and this distance has to do with finding the radius of a circle. That's how it's derived. I can make either point x1, y1 and x2, y2. That actually doesn't really matter which point, just so long as these are both 1s, these are both 2s. So I plug those in, and I get the square root of negative 4 minus 4 squared plus negative 6 minus 10 squared. So that gives me the square root of negative 16 squared. Sorry, not negative 16. Negative 8. Negative 8 squared plus negative 16 squared, which is the square root of 64 plus, I believe, 256, but I just want to double check. Yes, 256. Okay, add those together, and I get the square root of 320. Okay, we can now simplify this. I know it'll divide by 10, so I could do 32 times 10, which is 2 times 16, which is 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 2, and then 10 is 2 times 5. I have 1, 2, 3 pairs of 2's with a random 5 left over. So this distance is 2 times 2 times 2, so that's 8 times the square root of 5. Let's try another one. So I have x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Again, it doesn't matter which point you choose to be x1, y1, and x2, y2, just so long as these are both 1s, these are both 2s, or vice versa. So I'll do 9 minus 1 squared plus 7 minus 1 squared. So that's 8 squared plus 6 squared. So I get the square root of 64 plus 36. So I get the square root of 100. So the distance would be 10. Now, you notice I didn't say plus or minus 10. That's because distance is never negative. So x minus x squared, y minus y squared. So I have the square root of negative 3 minus 1 squared plus 2 minus negative 3, sorry about that, squared. So that gives me the square root of negative 4 squared plus 5 squared. So that's the square root of 16 plus 25, which gives me the square root of 41, which is prime. So that would be all we could do with that. And that's how we find distance between 2 points.